In this video, I'll be discussing Tim O'Reilly and John Battelle's paper, Web Squared, Web 2.0, 5 Years On. It is believed that after the dot-com collapse following the dot-com bubble in the late 90s, early 2000s came a new era of the internet. Tim O'Reilly speculates that a lot of the surviving sites from after the crash had a few of the same similar features. Web 2.0 became a term to encompass these common features that became prominent within the evolving landscape. There is speculation that another phase is going to occur and that is going to entail. This is known as Web 3.0. Tim Berners-Lee and Jim Hendler discuss the emergence of potential properties of Web 3.0, including the semantic web, sentient web, and the artificially intelligent web. Web Squared is broken down into several sections, all of them relating to Web 2.0 concepts. Some of the main components that this paper encompass are the web as a platform, collective intelligence, real-time blogging, sensory input, and the information shadow. The first section of the paper, Redefining Collective Intelligence, New Sensory Input, discusses topics such as crowdsourcing, hyperlinking, and search engines. The paper likens collective intelligence to crowdsourcing and describes it as meaning that a large group of people can create collective work whose value far exceeds that provided by any of the individual participants. Sites like eBay, Wikipedia, and YouTube rely on this element in order to create content. eBay grows organically by user activity and appeals to both buyers and sellers. Wikipedia uses user content input, and users can write and edit articles on Wikipedia, and collective intelligence shows that collectively the public are smarter to put together. This is evident in Wikipedia and Encyclopedic production by Jeff Loveland and Joseph Reagle. Similarly, the web grows organically by hyperlinking. Users discovering content and linking to it, web connections grow like synapses in the brain. Also, Larry Page and Sergey Brin discuss that every link becomes a vote. Modern search engines harness this and produce complex algorithms to formulate results. New search engines have changed into using sensory applications within technology. For example, location, GPS, camera, and microphone. Within Web Meets World, the Information Shadow and the Internet of Things, it discusses that the progression of the web is getting smarter and faster. Applications are always going to be connected. This connects to Mike Kuniavsky's theory that all real-world objects have an information shadow online. For example, a song will be present online within Spotify, iTunes, Amazon, Facebook, etc. Additionally, all physical things have an identity and presence online within the form of an ISBN number. Once these connections have been made between the physical thing and its online presence, there's not necessarily a need to metadate these connections anymore. Since Web 2.0 is about machine learning, applications will make sense of data handed to them. In regards to the rise of real-time and collective intelligence, it talks about how blogging is a major component of Web 2.0. With the concept of blogging came similar social media sites that use its concept, such as Twitter and microblogging. It changed how we communicate. Twitter can be used to spread information as it happens, and users can share thoughts and articles in real time. Retweeted articles can take part in information cascades, and it spreads information like wildfire. This has changed commercials and companies, not just on Twitter. Companies know what their clients are interested as they are interested in it. In conclusion, Web 2.0 marks and describes a new direction of the web and technology. It is a way to mark the new change, how technology is integrated within our physical world and how it can be harnessed.